So today I'm going to be reviewing this lanyard. This is for eyeglasses, and I have my glasses on, so I'm going to put on my glasses to show you how it is, and sometimes it will slip off. So I love that I have this. You get about 6 in a pack, okay, when you buy it, and when you open it up, it has really nice design, and the length of this is 30.1 inches. You do have cool design, so this has really nice designs on them, and they have adjustable, so you can see they're very adjustable. They have this dangling accessory next to them. When you put it on, you just put it like this, and the silicone buckle is really adjustable. You can tighten it, you can make it as short as you want, you can make it as long as you want. So when I put it on, you can see it fits perfectly onto my glasses like that, and you can come here and you can adjust it as you want to make it tighter or looser. So I feel they're very stylish, they're very easy to wear, and I absolutely like them.